real quick update. It's Thursday after we got the cabinets, so that's 1 week. And we had Memorial Day weekend, so that's 3 days off. And here we are with the cabinets 98% installed. This will be a coffee bar near the entrance. That's Leanie, and that is Quill. And this is a coffee bar, and then storage above. This is like 42 inches. We had originally planned on having 48 inches worth of room here, but we don't like the idea of a garbage can being in a cabinet. That's generally not sanitary in either of our opinions, my wife or I. So the trash can is going to go right there. Also, they don't offer a 48-inch cabinet with massive drawers. We wanted the massive drawers for general large-purpose storage. And this is one of many large-purpose storage areas in our kitchen. Another one here, we have the fridge. This is a smaller than, it's like a 33-inch fridge, but the opening's enough for a 36-inch fridge. And we have more large storage up here, but that's just cereal right now. We got the cabinets are evenly spaced there and there, which was a big thing about me. And then the sink. This is a sink base, and that's centered on the window. And then this is where the oven will go, and I still have to do the vent hood cutout. Is going to go back there, and the lights here are centered as best as you can tell. I think they are actually centered. This is a pantry cabinet. You can see the drawers I was talking about last time. But it's not centered because, well, these are really damn expensive. So we cheaped out a little bit and got a shorter, narrower one, and it just doesn't match up in the middle there perfectly. I'll live with it. And then over here, the light doesn't match up perfect. But that's because we were originally going to have a broom closet here that opens out towards the door. So that would have shifted everything over. But we decided to get rid of that also for cost reasons. And then extend the width of that and add a short cabinet here. And that's 18 inches, so that's a nice usable size. So that shifted everything over, so that light's not in the middle anymore. We're working on installing the islands now, but we're calling it a day. I need to go get some metal shielded cable to put outlets in this. These are in place, but they're not screwed down yet. So this is after my dad and I, a day and a half of work. And I'm very happy with the progress that we've made. The style that was on this sink base, like I had said before, we did have to cut it off there and add a little filler here like I expected. And then we used a filler from over there on this cabinet to give us a little bit extra counter space and push this a little bit closer to center with that light. But we also would have needed a spacer there anyways, because this is, there's a lip there. So we would have had to add an 1/8-inch spacer there anyways. But we just added a full width, well, not a full width, but an 1.5 inch spacer. And then this is a 1 3/8 inch spacer. And then that brought our opening here for the oven in line. I think that's it for this update, and I'll see you around.